There are people who think that the affluent individuals of this world are put through a lesser trial since they have wealth and riches to play about. They do not have to worry about their food and shelter. The luxuries of life open their arms to them. This perception is actually not true. The Almighty has created this world as a trial and test for all of us. Every one of us undergoes this trial in some form or the other. It is not that only the poor and the needy are put through this test. Affluence also is a form of trial. Here the trial is to test a person regarding his attitude towards the Almighty. He is tested on whether he shows gratitude to the Almighty on his favors and blessings. As such, since a person generally tends to forget his Lord if he is blessed with an affluent life, this trial is perhaps tougher than that of a person who is put through the trial of poverty and adverse circumstances. In such circumstances, a person tends to remember the Lord more, or at least has more opportunities for this remembrance. Moreover, affluence is just one form of comfort a person may have. There are people who may be affluent and very rich, but still have various forms of mental worries, troubles, and tribulations. Besides having a strong relationship with the Almighty, the best way to fight out the ups and downs of life is to always look at people who are worse off. A cursory glance would bring many to our mind. One will begin to realize what one actually has in contrast with millions of others. Where others have been deprived, he would find himself blessed with many favors.